What's the best cure for the drizzly winter weather we've been having? A trip to the New York Travel and Adventure Show here at the Jacob Javits Center. It's the largest of its kind in our area with hundreds of destinations near and far represented. Buffalo to Botswana, along with companies offering tours, travel experts like Rick Steves dispensing advice, even performers from Iceland, Ireland, Indonesia, and more. If you want to go on your dream vacation, it's on this planet. Chances are good that there's someone here who can help you.
Vacation briefing.